All right, now we're dividing with decimals already in the problem. Same rules as we had before. Now we just got to figure out, what do I do with this decimal? So number on top would go underneath the long division bar, and we would have our decimal, or in this case, just the number on the bottom on the outside. We don't want a decimal here, so we're going to have to move the decimal one spot. So the decimal was here. We're going to have to move that one spot, and that's going to come 40. So here's what we have. We're really looking at 5 and then 40, and then you'll ask yourself, how many times does 5 go into 4? 0. How many times does 5 go into 40? Oh, and by the way, we moved the decimal, so I could put the decimal there, which means I can hold it up here. Sorry, I might have missed that. So how many times does 5 go into 40? 8. 5 times 8 is exactly 40. So we already got a result of 0. And if I continue to bring zeros down, I'd just be asking myself, how many times does 5 go into 0? Oh, 0, 0, 0. So what is the answer to this one? How many times, if you take 4 and divide it by 0.5, or in other words, a half, your answer will be 8. All right, let's go to our next one. So 6 would go underneath, 0 to 5. We need to move the decimal 1, 2, so we need to move it here, 1, 2. When we do that, we'd have to insert our zeros. Kind of looks like a smiley face with a mustache. All right, so, sorry, let's refocus, right? So what we get is 25, and we're going to have 600. So go ahead and put your decimal there, and put your decimal up here. How many times does 25 go into 6? 0. How many times does 25 go into 60? 2. Thinking of quarters, it'd be 50 cents, right? 25 times 2 is 50. So we'll subtract those out and get 10 and bring down another 0. How many 25s go into 100? Thinking quarters again, it'd be 4. 25 times 4 is 100. And that equals 0. I don't need to bring down another 0. There's no other digit behind that decimal that I need to bring down. So if I want to, I can stop there. 6 divided by 0.25 is 24. Awesome work. Hopefully that was good review. All those adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing decimals. And you all will have a little mini quiz. So good luck. Watch these videos as much as you want. Take as much notes as you want on it and use them as you're working on your quiz.